Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Infinity channel. As for y'all know, my name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. So, so before we get started, we are going to take a look at the market cap for today, and we are sitting at 1.12 trillion. Our 24-hour volume is at sitting at $72 billion. Our Bitcoin dominance is at 40.1%, and our Ethereum dominance is at 20.2%. Our ETH gas is at 8 Gwei. So we take a look down here. We are down 2.5% over the last 24 hours as for total market cap. Bitcoin is consolidating at 23,000. Ethereum is sitting at 1,800. XRP is sitting at 37 cents. Binance, this is Binance USD, sitting at 99 cents. Depeg from $1. We have Cardano sitting at 53 cents. Solana, $40. Dogecoin, 8 cents. Polkadot, $8.46. We do have CRO down here sitting at 14 cents. Chainlink, $8.09. Atom, $12.13. Again, all the markets on the pretty much on a discount, and we are down for the last 7 days for the week. So we do have some tokens that are up for the week, which is Anchor up here. We have Huobi token. We have Shiba, Celsius. I don't know why Celsius is up, but we are up. We have Dogecoin, Chili's, OKB, Unis, SED, Leo, and Nexo. So again, those are just some of the tokens that we are naming, just like EOS. EOS has been getting a lot of attention recently. Ethereum Classic as well. So I have been reading articles that Ethereum Classic might have a pretty big spike just from the Ethereum merge. So that's one of the tokens you might want to keep your eye on. But again, it's not financial advice. That's just what I believe and what I'm reading. So again, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we are sitting at 23,448. Our technical saying is a good time to sell, but again, every day is a new day in the crypto market, and if you are down, just keep your money in there. Don't sell. I would continue accumulating dollar cost average, but again, not financial advice. That's just me. So again, we've been making higher lows right here. This pattern, I don't like the look of this pattern right here, but again, I really don't know what is going on with the markets right now because it's really confusing. Like, it looks like it's on a steady climb, but again, I really don't know. We could be headed on another way down, especially with the news that we've been getting. We could see a ways down to maybe to about 20 to 21,000. So again, Dogecoin, we are sitting at 8 cents. And I know I stated yesterday that Dogecoin isn't a coin that I would particularly take in, but I will keep on doing some research on it now that we are getting some clarity on it, and it is heading on the uptrend since the last, I guess, mid June to now. We are hitting on an uptrend, but that's pretty much the whole market in general. So one of the reasons I'm covering Dogecoin today is because Dogecoin, Elon Musk's favorite crypto, gets serious. So the popular meme coin was created as a joke to highlight speculation in the crypto industry. So is this the end of meme coins? As their name suggests, yes, they are meme coins. That's what they've been named after. Especially they didn't have no utility, but now Shiba and Dogecoin, they both have utility. So as their name suggests, meme coins are tokens that have no utility and are essentially jokes. But the experts have warned that meme coins are largely worthless, and people who put their money into them know well that they should expect nothing in return for their investments. So again, like I stated, Dogecoin isn't a token that I would personally dump a lot of my money into. I do hold some, but again, this is a token that you should expect nothing in return for. It's just pretty much like playing the lottery. So at the same time, the crypto industry seems to be in a pivotal moment in its history, making the transition from youthful mistakes to maturity. Yes and no. So there are some tokens that are still just jokes, and they have, again, like It says right here, youthful mistakes. That's a coin that you don't want to get into. Some of them have matured. Yes, Dogecoin and Shiba again have made some progress with their utility, and now Dogecoin has a Doge chain coming on. So pretty much something that's coming from Dogecoin is Dogecoin features the image of the Shiba Inu dog as its logo and namesake. It was created in 2013 by a couple of software engineers, and now it's found its utility. So developers have launched what is called the Doge chain or layer 2 for Dogecoin, a platform that will enable the development of decentralized finance, which is DeFi applications, the creation of NFTs, and decentralized applications or dApps. So with the new Doge chain, investors holding Dogecoins will no longer need to exchange them for other cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum to trade on decentralized exchange platforms. This ecosystem will enable developers to produce projects that have concrete uses in the daily life. So again, once they find utility, they should remain pretty steady in the market and not so much as a meme coin anymore. But again, this is a crypto market, and any day they could just be like, you know what, I'm just gonna quit having utility into Dogecoin. So this long awaited change in Dogecoin has led fans to the coin to boost its price. Over the past 7 days, Dogecoin prices have jumped nearly 20% to 8 cents. So again, if we take a look here, we were sitting at about 4 cents June 19th, and we are sitting at 8 cents. So if you put your money in there at the bottom of the market for Dogecoin at 4 cents, you have doubled your money as of now. But again, just imagine if it gets back up to 75 cents, you pretty much almost 20x your token. So again, that's pretty much one of the reasons that I wanted to get into Dogecoin for today. But again, just let me know in the comments if you want me to keep on doing some research on Dogecoin or any crypto that you would want me to get into. Just let me know in the comments and I will get back with y'all shortly. So again, another article that we have for today is Colombia is to prevent tax evasion with national digital currency. So a national digital currency would help curb tax evasion in Colombia, and I can say pretty much anywhere. That's why they want to create CBDCs. The reason for that is to control people's money and know what they're spending it on. So it is estimated that up to 8% of GDP, the head of Colombia's tax and customs agency said. So the economic growth beat expectations in the second quarter. An official at the country's tax and customs agency has hinted at some national digital currency plans. So Luis Carlos Reyes, the head of Colombian tax and customs, claimed that the government of newly inaugurated Colombian President Gustavo Petro will seek to create a digital currency to prevent illicit financial activity like tax evasion. So again, the whole reason about CBDCs is to spy on what you're spending your money on, what your money is going into, where your money is going, and so on. So again, I'm not for CBDCs, but if they are going to use cryptos like XRP and XLM and will make me some money, I'm all for it. So Colombia's digital currency plans are part of the country's new monetary policy measures aiming to increase transparency of financial transactions. So, the tax evasion in Colombia is estimated to account for 6 to 8% of the country's GDP so far. Reyes has also pointed out that the potential digital currency would be a major benefit or user experience, stating that the creation of the digital currency would make these transactions easier for the consumer. So again, I don't know if y'all realize, but every time you go to the store, they have a sign saying no change, use exact change or your debit slash credit card. Why? They're slowly trying to pull money and cash fiat, trying to slowly pull it back from the people because eventually the United States will roll out their CBDC just like China is doing with the digital yuan, and fiat will no longer exist. So again, that's pretty much why CBDCs are coming. And again, it's not a good thing, but if you roll with it and you make some money, then oh well. So another the third article that we want to get into for today is Bitcoin crypto markets dip on the release of Fed minutes. So inflation is still unacceptably high. Yes, it is. The U.S. Central Banking Authority said it in minutes from its July meeting. So today we did have a dip in the market, and again, that's why Bitcoin is sitting at 23,000. And I do believe that crypto might drop down to about, well, not crypto, but Bitcoin in general should drop to about 20 to 21,000 and retest that level of support. So from the July meeting in which the agency said it will continue to hike interest rates in order to tame inflation, Bitcoin's price dropped 0.9% in the hour following the Fed's announcement and was down 2.4% for the day. Ethereum was also down 0.9% and down for 2% for the day, which is a little bit less than Bitcoin. But the world's biggest cryptocurrency by market cap was at the time of writing trading at 23,300, and again that's pretty much what it's trading at now. It's $100 more than what it was. But again, we'll see and we'll take it by the day. So the stock market also dipped on the news. The Dow Jones dropped 0.1%, the S&P 500 by 0.2%, and the Nasdaq by 0.6. So the minutes from the U.S. Central Banking Authority's July 26 to the 27th meeting revealed that inflation was still too high. Despite the labor market being strong and unemployment very low, there was just no simple evidence it would subside just yet. So again, I know everybody was making fun of Biden that he said there was 0% inflation in July. That is totally incorrect. It's just kind of stupid, but I mean, as the world we're living in. So it added that it would need to slow the pace of rate increases at some point, but that would depend on future data. So I've read articles that we should expect a bigger than average rate hike this coming month. Well, it will be in September. I want to say September 21 to September 22. I think that's the next meeting, but don't quote me on that. So if it is bigger than expected, we should expect the markets to drop and pretty significantly. So one of the last reasons, well, one of the last articles I want to get into is another reason why I do believe that the markets will drop and we are headed down. So the release of $3 billion worth of Bitcoin from Mt. Gox will cause the market to bottom in August. I mean, again, who knows? We'll wait till the day comes. But again, I do believe that it is lining up with the Ethereum merge. So the Ethereum merge and Mt. Gox will most likely create the flipping, like people say. So 137,000 Bitcoin may soon hit the market as Mt. Gox is set to release funds to creditors that have been locked up for 7 years. So how may this affect the price of Bitcoin? Easy. Once they release the Bitcoin, people that got this Bitcoin got it for about $300 to $700 easy. So now imagine getting 100 Bitcoin at $300 a piece. Now all that Bitcoin is worth 23,000 each Bitcoin. I mean, obviously you would take profits, right? I mean, that's that's just a dumb question. But again, 137,000 Bitcoin, worth roughly 2.8 billion, will soon be released into the market as funds lost to the Mt. Gox hack of 2011 and subsequent loss of 850,000 Bitcoin, worth around 17.8 billion at today's price. So in 2014, Mt. Gox reported that it had found 200,000 Bitcoin, but those coins have been locked in litigation until now. So again, they didn't recover all the Bitcoin, but what they did is they are going to split it up into people that did lose Bitcoin at that moment. So in November 2021, Mt. Gox released a formal rehabilitation plan to return the lost funds to investors who lost access to their crypto some 7 years ago. So that is coming soon towards the end of this month, end of August. So we should keep our eyes on the market. And again, I do believe that we are headed downward. Some people say we could hit 10,000. I highly doubt we will hit 10,000 for Bitcoin, but I do believe we could hit a bottom of maybe about 12 to 15,000 for Bitcoin, and the rest of the market would just pretty much plunge with it. Except maybe Ethereum could flip. Well, it will flip Bitcoin. It's just a matter of not if but when. So again, pretty much I believe that everybody that's gonna sell and take profits from their Bitcoin will put their money into Ethereum and wait for the merge, and then sell the merge. So they'll make double the money right there. So while the will the Mount Gox coins affect Bitcoin price? As a crypto analyst and crypto banter host, Miles Docher pointed out, many investors are worried that the release of 137,000 Bitcoin could cause a devastating decline in the price of Bitcoin due to the increased sell pressure. So again, not just I'm not just saying that it will go down because like just because I want to say it's gonna go down, but analysts have also said that it is most likely gonna go down. So the Ethereum merge is timed perfectly with Mt. Gox. Users dumping 140,000 Bitcoin, which is worth about $3 billion in late August 2022. The flipping is upon us, friends. So again, there's a lot of fear in the market. Well, there will be once all those tokens are released and people will take profits. So what if the Bitcoin is liquidated? Some of the Bitcoin has already been sold before the upcoming release of the Bitcoin. In 2018, 24,000 Bitcoin was sold by Kobayashi during the creditors meeting, the sale. So again, this is some pretty this could be some pretty devastating news for Bitcoin and Bitcoin maxis. But again, we'll take it by the day. This is crypto, and I mean, we'll see what happens. But for now, that's all we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. I will be posting my Twitter handle below this video. Thanks, and until next time.